Do you all know many people give up pursuing art as career as they think art does not provide sustainable income? There are many schools often does not include art in their curriculum. Due to various other reasons, many individuals suppress their artistic talent. This channel is dedicated to those who want to choose art as career, who want to grow from beginner level to professional level with some simple techniques.
Hello people, welcome to my YouTube channel Siyat. I'm your Vidya Askani, calling myself an artist and guide. Step into my creative paradise where your imagination comes to life on paper. I just want to share how my artistic journey has begun. When I was young, I used to draw some random sketches watching my cousin. That was so fun during childhood, right? Even for many of them, I guess. Later after schooling, during my college days, I started doodling again. Watching that, one of my friends gifted me a sketchbook on birthday. You won't believe each page turned me into an artist and improving my artistic skills. This is the sketchbook. This is very first art. And this is the last one. And this is the recent art which I have done. Amazing, right? But unexpectedly, I found myself in software job, pulling me away from arts for 2 long years. But eventually, I followed my passion, quitting my software job. I got trained in arts by a mentor, and now I'm dedicating myself in proving that art can be a fulfilling profession. I have got my certification and artworks as solid proof of my skills. That's the strong foundation, right? And I continue to grow my presence and portfolio. For now, I'll be assisting you with basic charcoal art techniques, how to use charcoal, create art with charcoal, watercolor paintings, and mandala arts. In future, I plan to expand by conducting workshops and starting online classes. I'll be engaging with my audience through live sessions. I'll offer QA sessions to address all common art related queries, and I'll share the behind the scene content, and I'll be discussing how art can be chosen as career and earn through it. All the beginners out there who need help and support, together let's discover the creativity within you, build some confidence and explore new art techniques and find the artist within you. Hop on to this creative adventure, subscribe now and gain access to the exclusive content and early releases. Engage with the community of other artists. Stay connected for upcoming videos and enrich your art knowledge. Excited to see where this journey takes us. Smash that subscribe button and let's create something amazing. Thanks for watching.